thought I'd leave you with that aside. Crackling fire. It's only 20 to 7. Been on since about 6 because I'm back at work tonight, so up early it is. That camera's shining on me. Anyway, I brought my tape measure up and nobody on now, is there? I've just measured this, so it's 4 foot exactly. The lengths I need, and they're exactly 8 foot, so I'll take my 5 along here, and then one little bit for that top bit there, and then 3 along the back, so I'll just have enough to my 4 sheets. So a little bit belting, but I can't start messing about now till people in the houses at the back get up. So let's sit here with my brew. I best put some milk in it, haven't I? There you go. Got the first 2 panels cut and loosely fit. I've just stuck one screw at end, just hold them. I get it all on, and then get it levelled up, and then it looks good. Matches in with that green. Is that like? Oh, that's all matching across, isn't it? Because that roof's always bored in. It was damp when I put it up. Because that was the original shed, then I did that on when the lockdown came. So we had somewhere to have a brew. But obviously I just threw it together in between locking down. But anyhow, it's looking good, isn't it? So cutting that is hard stuff, it's thick, that. It's proper industrial stuff. It's only dirt, that, it's not rust. Not arsed in it, I don't bothered anyway. No beat machine. I'm chuffed with it, it's looking good. As long as it keeps it dry, it'll do the job. Just turn that light off. 9:10. Put all that done. I'll put them ridges back on. They look a bit wonky, but they serve a purpose, and they're free, and they're nice and heavy, so they'll hold them sheets on. Not that I've not fixed them as well, but I just have to straighten this edge up now with a piece of wood underneath, and all I've got left to do is round that door hole there, which is a bit of a pain in the backside, but that'll do for this week, I think. I'll clean all that up now and have a gander at it. It should be a breeze next week, just finish that little bit off there. I've got 2 full sheets left, so I'll easily do the other side of the shed and all round here. So belting, because 2 pieces did get full shed, didn't it? Let's have a look. Now they're just short, but it won't matter. Probably I'll pick a piece of that, it's pretty common that around industrial places. Yeah, looks okay, doesn't it? Yeah, that was 1, 2, oh, so it's just over 2. Oh, kettle's boiling. I need my heat gun now to melt them fingers in between them joints. I'll have a brew first. Well, I've just rung the place, and they've got some of the proper ridging. It's only dead thin, same as that stuff, and it's pretty wide. So them can stop on this week while I'm at work, so it keeps it all safe. And then next week I'll be putting that ridge on, so it should leave bob on. But that'll do us this week anyway. I've got that bit for to do. Shouldn't take long next week, and the other side of the original shed. Then I've got to take all them gutters out, move them outwards. So we're collecting rainwater again, but that'll all do next week. I'm pretty chuffed for that roof though. 40 quid. Yeah. Got that proper ridge on it, it's the same colour as well, so it'll just match in. Goose wing grey, I think it's called. Yeah, I'll just tape round there and put another piece of lead round. Just made a piece of lead. Sort of thing, so once that's done next week, it'll look bob on, won't it? Roofs are us. My nephew's a roofer, he'll be proud of me with that. Right, it's about 10 o'clock now, so I'm going to get off, see the missus before I go to bed early for work. So next week when I see you, all that roof will be finished. So, see you later.